everybody there unboxing iPhone 16 because it's September iPhone Day, something like that. We received the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, 16 Plus. Same goes to me, I'm unboxing too. But what I unboxing is guess what? Guess what's it? What's it? This is the iPhone 62. Woo! So clean, but the camera is ugly. So I bought this. I plan to put Apple Intelligent in here, and if I succeed, this is the only home button device with Apple Intelligent, full Apple Intelligent currently